Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today my topic how to fix iPhone sweep up not working on iPhone. So how to fix this issue? Sweep up is not working on iPhone, on any iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? First of all, you have update iOS latest version. So then you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version are available on your iPhone, so must be update your iPhone and then your problem will be fixed. Then second solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. Then third solution, you have reset all setting on your iPhone. So then you have open the setting, click on general, click on scroll up, click on transfer or reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode, and then do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset setting, and then your problem will be fixed. If there are third solution is not working, their fourth solution, you have turn off voiceover on your iPhone. So then you have uh, open the accessibility, and then you have voiceover is a turn off. I have already turned off. Then you have be turn off, and then your problem will be fixed. If there are this solution is not working, the last solution, you have enable access to control center with an app. So then you have again open the setting, click on control center, access within apps. You have enable, I have enabled already. So then you have enable access within apps, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.